Headed to location number 5, state number 5. In how many days? We left July 27th.
And today is August 7th.
August 7th. So, whatever how many days that is, that's how long our trip's been. Here comes Move with Mack. Stop number 5.
Hello, I'm Mack, personal trainer and the muscle at Move with Mack.
And I'm Kirsten, certified health coach and the hustle behind the muscle at Move with Mack. And we look forward to sharing our RV adventures with you. Camp Carlson is located just minutes from the heart of Fort Knox. Camp Carlson Army Recreational Area is the perfect setting for a relaxing escape for you and your family. There are several playgrounds for your kids to get out and rip and run and have a great time. The laundry facility was super clean and coins are required. There are plenty of washers and dryers available for your use. I didn't take a picture, but the showers were very clean and nice. The beautiful Carlson Hall and gazebo can be rented out for your family functions while there. There are group cabins and family cabins available for rent. There's 10 furnished family cabins, and they are all equipped with a bathroom, refrigerator, stove, beds, kitchen tables and chairs, and a living room. There was plenty of open space, and we had a perfect spot for our Saturday morning virtual class. Camp host Tom and his wife made us feel so welcomed. He even bought one of Mack's positive thinking workbooks. Mr. Womack was stationed at Fort Knox, so of course we had to make a trip over and check it out.
I was stationed at Fort Knox from 1994 through 1997. This gym here I became famous at. Right outside the gate is the Kentucky Veteran Cemetery, where all gave some and some gave all.
We really enjoyed our time at Fort Knox and Camp Carlson. Please continue to follow our journey and like and share this video. We'll see you in the next location. Until the next time.